Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll continue learning how to use the module of turtle, change the color of the turtle, the pen color and the size. For that, let's open PyCharm and make a new file. And then here we'll first start with importing the turtle, and then we will set the turtle color mode to 255, which is the RGB color mode. So turtle.color mode 255. After we set the color mode, we will make the shape of the turtle a turtle dot shape turtle, and then we will use a new function called setup. For that, let's write turtle dot setup, and then we can set how high and how long the window in which the turtle opens will be. So for that, let's first say 500, which will be a square. So now that we have chosen this, let's first see how the shape of the window is. So that it doesn't close the window after it finishes this, we'll do turtle dot main loop, and then we'll play. So then here, if we go down here, we'll be able to see the Python turtle graphics, which is the name of the window that it shows. As we can see, it's showing it's a square-shaped window. Now suppose we put height 600 and the width to 400, then it'll make it a different window with a higher height and a lower width. So let's change it back to 500, and then we will make the background color for the screen, which is turtle.screen, and the S in screen has to be capital, and then we'll make it a bluish shade, and then we'll also make the turtle color. So the color is 9 red, 185 green, and 13 blue. So now if we run it again, it'll become a different shape, and the turtle will be a different color. Now it's a bit hard to see in this color, so let's maybe add an outline to the turtle. For that, we'll use the function called pen color, turtle.pen color, and then here we will put 0, 1, 28, and 0 again. So here we chose the color of the pen, and in this case the pen isn't what it writes with, but it's like the outline. So if we do it again and I rerun it, then it'll come again, and you can see a sort of dark outline around the turtle. Now it's still not that visible, so let's make it a bit bigger. And then for that, we'll use a new function called turtle size, which is written like this. So, and then the parameters are the width, the length, and the thickness of the outline. So it's 10, 10, and 2. So 10 pixels height, 10 pixels width, and 2 pixels fat outline. Now if we replay it again, rerun it, then the turtle is actually a bit too big in this case, but it has a good outline, and you can see that it gets bigger and smaller. But now if we want to revert our turtle to the original size, and we don't know how many pixels it was in the original size, we'll just replace this code with turtle.resize mode, which is resizing the turtle. Now if we put auto in it, then it will automatically resize it into the turtle that it always is, without any editing of the size. So if we rerun it again, it'll just directly be the normal size, and then this time let's make it a bit bigger, but not like too big either. So for that, we'll use this turtle size like this, which is a bit smaller again, 3 height, 3 width, and 2 outline. So if we run it now, it's actually big enough. But now if we want the outline a bit thicker, we can also use only one of the parameters inside the turtle size. So here, if we put turtle size, and inside the parenthesis, if we write outline equals 3, then it won't change the height and the width and of the turtle. Instead, it'll only change the outline. So at the moment, the outline is this thick, and if we rerun it, then it'll be a bit thicker. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.